Hello guys, welcome back to Wondershare FamiSafe. Today's topic is going to be a captivating one as we dive into the difficulties of location sharing, which include sharing live location, current location, and how to effectively manage it with FamiSafe. Based on the International Labour Organization, the number of children kidnapped and trafficked across the world is over 1 million each year. The children are sold into slavery and sadly, the numbers still increase. In this digital era, ensuring the safety of our loved ones, especially the kids, has become paramount, and location sharing plays a vital role. By understanding how to harness the power of location sharing, we can keep track of our children's whereabouts and ensuring their well-being and offering peace of mind. That is why we have chosen to focus this video entirely on the process of enabling location sharing on your device using FamiSafe. Sounds good? Now, before we dive into the video, ensure to click on that subscribe button so that you never miss out on any future updates. FamiSafe, the parental control app to share locations with your children. Steps to enable location services. Take advantage of new technology that allows you to track your child's location regardless of their whereabouts. Simply follow these steps to activate location services on your child's device, ensuring that their location appears on your phone as well. The specific steps may vary depending on whether your child is using an Android or an Apple device. Hence, we can confidently state that while technology can create problems, it also offers solutions. So, here is how you can use FamiSafe to enable location services on your kids' Apple and Android devices separately. Share location on Android. First of all, access and tap on location, but ensure that location is enabled on your child's iPhone, iPod, or iPad within this section. Then return to the Android setting and tap on Apps. Then select Screen Time. Locate the Permissions option and tap on it. Finally, select the Location option as well, ensuring that it is enabled. And that's it, you're all set. Now you can easily track your child's location whenever you want. Share location for iPhone. To share location for iPhone, first go to iPhone settings, then tap on Privacy and enable location. Once you are done, return to the iPhone settings and select Screen Time. Next, tap on Location, then choose Select Always. You have successfully activated location services for your child. Once you have enabled location services, preventing your children from disabling them can be a challenging task. You may wonder how to prevent your child from undoing the changes you've made. Well, communication with your children is key. They should understand that sharing location precautions are for their protection and their own security. Apple provides enhanced parental controls for user convenience. Now, follow the next steps to ensure that the changes you made to your child's device are permanent. First, open iPhone settings, tap on General, and enable restrictions if they are not already enabled. Make sure to select Location Services, and finally, choose that Don't Allow Changes option. Yes, you've successfully enabled iPhone location tracking for your child. FamiSafe is an exceptional parental control app that stands out as one of the finest options available. Compatible with Android, iOS, and Windows, this app offers an array of impressive features that cater to the needs of every user. Notably, one of its most remarkable capabilities is the ability to track and locate your children. Isn't this outstanding? So why wait any longer? Enhanced tracking of children's location. FamiSafe greatly simplifies and improves the task of locating your children. By enabling its location services, you gain access to real-time updates on your child's whereabouts, their location history, and even instances where they may have misled you about attending school. This powerful application provides you with the ability to instantly view your children's current location, allowing you to detect any discrepancies in their phone-based location claims. Moreover, FamiSafe grants you access to your child's location history, consistently surpassing expectation with its exceptional features. Additionally, it empowers you to set up geofences to ensure your child's safety. For instance, you can create geofences for frequently visited places that you deem safe, such as your child's school, a nearby park, or even your residence. By monitoring your child through FamiSafe, you will promptly become aware of any unauthorized boundary crossing. Let's check out the amazing location features on the FamiSafe app. Live location. To track and share the live and current location of your child's device, utilize FamiSafe Live Location feature. This live location is available on the device. How to use it? Navigate to the home screen or access the feature directly. Select real-time location to view the current location. Now, tap the refresh icon located in the top right corner to update your child's location. Location history. FamiSafe's location history feature enables you to review your children's past locations within the last 30 days. How to check location history? Go to Home, tap on the feature menu, and select Location History. View the location history in a timeline format. Then ensure to use these signs buttons to navigate to the previous day's history or select a specific date to review. Geofences. By utilizing FamiSafe's Geofences feature, you can set up specific areas to receive notifications when your kids enter or leave those designated areas. How to use it? Tap on the feature menu and select Geofences. Tap Add to create a new geofence and enter a name for the geofence and search for that desired location. Choose the range of radius for the geofence area and tap Save to confirm your settings, and you will receive notifications when your kids enter to leave the designated area or place you set up. In conclusion, FamiSafe is an app that provides a safe and user-friendly way to share your location with your children on any iPhone or Android device. If you have any concern about your children's whereabouts or suspect they may be deceiving you, installing FamiSafe allows you to share and control their locations. Take advantage of this impressive location feature to monitor both their current location and location history. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by liking, commenting, and sharing. And please don't forget to click on that subscribe button to our channel to stay updated with our future videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.